Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use trace drawing with Paintology. First you press the draw button on the home screen, and you will go to another screen that shows different modes of drawing. Press the trace button. This will open up another screen where you can pick out an image that you can trace over. Select an image. I have selected this drawing. Once the image is loaded on your drawing canvas, you can trace over this drawing. Use the slider bar to go between your drawing and the traced image. It is very similar to drawing with traced paper but much more flexible. Learning through trace drawing is very powerful as it helps you learn drawing much faster. I am going to show you an example, and use the line brush to trace over this image. I will do a line drawing of this, but there are many ways of using trace drawing. And you can check out the trace drawing tutorials to do some practice drawings.